Hey everyone, this is Rich Noto, Florida licensed realtor, Florida licensed home inspector, Florida notary public with loan signing agent certification, your construction trained realtor. So I'm out here at Lennar at Waterstone, and we're in Groveland. We're going to be checking out this model called the Midtown and the Joshua, the Joshua 2 over here. Now this is really important, as I've said in other videos with Lennar. Do not call them or contact them or go to the sales office alone. You will lose your paid for by the builder realtor representation. I can't state that enough. Now, if you are going to go over to the sales office alone because you're ultra excited or a little bit insane, you have to tell them right away that you have a realtor. And as well, you have to tell them who your realtor is, especially if you're going to go online. If you're going to contact them online through the web chat, when they ask you if you have a realtor, you have to say yes. And you better know who your realtor is and who your realtor is going to be. Otherwise, you're just going to lose that paid for by the builder realtor representation. So now that that's out of the way, because sometimes I get asked that as well, let's go inside and check out this house called the Midtown. I like how it looks on the outside. Looks nice. Let's go inside and have a look. Now, I don't know if I have a video of a Midtown. I think it was called Columbia or something like that, if I'm not mistaken. I could be totally wrong. Yeah, I don't know if I actually... if I actually have this one or not. Doesn't look too familiar. So let's see. Yeah, I don't think I've ever seen this. Let's go right first. What's to the right? Probably the garage. This is going to be a pantry. So again, it's not hard. You could do things right from the start. And you could protect your investment. Or you can make a complete mess out of it and have to deal with the consequences. Typically, the customers that I attract are the ones that want to have, the best house. They want to have, an investment that's a solid investment, not, buy any old junk that some builder slops together. So you got a great laundry room. I feel like now all I want to do is talk about construction. Half bath. Now, one of the things about Lennar is that, everything just comes with your house, Lennar is not one of those builders that, you go to the design center and you customize the house for you. The house just comes as is. So you have to make sure that you, like what you're getting. This is a pretty interesting house, the way the first floor layout is. Looking at the lanai. Yeah, look at that. So kitchen, living room, and dining room. And here you can see you got the 42-inch cabinets, which is nice. Some builders are still packaging the small cabinets. I'm always a little bit shocked when I see those. I forget what they are. What are they, 30-something inch, 36 or something? I don't quite remember, but they're 3 shelves instead of 4. This is a nice room. And this room has another way outside, which is kind of interesting. Let's just go back and look at the laundry room briefly again. Yeah, it's a big laundry room. Wonderful. Okay. Let's go upstairs and have a look. It's a darker day today in Florida. It's cloudy. Let's continue this way and see what we see. Another bedroom. And what does this go to? Is this a ensuite? No, it's a Jack and Jill. And, you know, if you don't know what Jack and Jill is, it's when two bedrooms connect to a bathroom. So that's pretty interesting. This is a big room too. So I got a nice sized loft. Let's see what we have over here. Is this a half bath? Yeah, it's a half bath. Half bath and a towel closet. Big master bedroom. Look at this. Jeez. Yeah, that's a big bedroom. This bathroom's kind of interesting. The way it's got the double doors. It looks like Lennar is trying to make it a little bit nicer, I guess to feel a little bit more like luxurious, I guess, by putting these double doors in here. And oh, it's got like the seat or the shelf in the shower. Now, okay, so see, this is really good over here because you can say either they use an eggshell or a semi-gloss. That might be a semi-gloss paint. Because the thing is that when there's flat paint up here, you know, that's not a good thing. You know, because water's going to bounce off your head, a little mist, a little spray, and it's going to soak into the wall. And over time, it'll start to affect it. Okay, so let's see what's down here. That's right, we were here already. Okay, so let's just talk about this briefly on the way out. I think that this is a good house for a large family. That's what I'm seeing here, a large family, and I think if this had like a shower or a tub, it would be even better. There would be even more flexibility to this house, just for if somebody needed to live on the first floor, because it already has the laundry room. So if there was just a shower there, you know, that room at the end could you know, be a bedroom if it was needed. So, but it's different. It's a nice house, and you know, when I think about, you know, Lennar, I always wonder. Like, what happened to all the nice floor plans that they had when they purchased a whole bunch of different builders that were here in Florida years ago? And I'm talking about, like, I don't know how many years ago now. Has it been 8 years or so? 7, 8 years? When they purchased all those builders that had really nice luxury floor plans, what did they do with it? So, this is the Joshua. The Joshua 2. Got a lot of glare on the camera today, even though it's not a sunny day. It's a cloudy day. There's a lot of glare. So how big is a Joshua 2? 2,130 square feet, 3 beds, 2 baths. And how much is the Midtown? 2,636 square feet, 3 beds, 2 baths. Okay, 2 half baths. Okay, so let's go inside and see what we see. Now this is nice big room. You know, I think I might have been in this one. I could be wrong. Of course, it's set up exactly how I've said it should be set up a few times when I've seen it. With the TV right there, and the couch, and all that great stuff. Just a nice TV room. Like, this is the kind of room you could picture like hanging out in if you got some friends or whatever, or family or whoever you're hanging out with, talking, you know, TV's on, whatever. Nice event. Maybe put the Christmas tree in there, I don't know. So here we have your kitchen, your living room, and your dining room all in one. Kind of a big rectangle, not fully a big rectangle, but kind of. Now again, because this is Lennar, what you see is what you get. So if you want a custom home, and I don't mean a custom home, but a home where you can customize your upgrades, then this is not the builder for you. Here's the garage. And your covered patio, all lanai. This is interesting. So you just walk into the shower. That's really nice. I like that. And toilet in the closet room. But this is a nice one. This is a luxury one because you got a window. How big is this closet? Oh, this is a big closet. Yeah, this is a big room. This house just feels very spacious. And a small laundry room. Let's see. Oh, there's a little bit. Oh, no, that's a little bit better. What's this? HVAC closet. So I guess he has a little bit of space here for some storage. Let's see the closet. What is this, a walk-in closet, or is this a... That's a little step-in closet. Not really a walk-in closet, but you gotta step in it a little. And let's see what's over here. Full bathroom. I feel like my camera's falling over. That's been like all day, like camera's falling over, camera's falling over. And another bedroom. This looks like a bigger one. And what kind of closet do we have? Yeah, this is a little bit of a walk-in closet. I think that this room over here, being that it's so big, I think this room, this is really what like sells this house. That this room is so big. and the room in the front. So I think if you want a room where like you walk in, like I like how this house feels. Walking in, and this room is over here. I just think, you know, I think that this is really good. Really nice. The bedrooms, you know, feel a little cramped, but I think that the, you know, the common areas of this house is where it shines.